Welcome everyone, I'm the Smoking Chef. Thank you for joining me and subscribing to my channel where I prepare food for family and friends.
Welcome to the culinary paradise of Greece. Shopping for quality ingredients is a sensory journey through time-honored traditions. And in the heart of the quaint village of Agios Andreas, I visited my favorite cheese emporium owner, Dimitri, to help me choose the best cheese for my Saganaki recipe that I'll prepare for my family and friends today. I chose an aged Kefalotyri with a stronger flavor that can also be used on spaghetti.
And today I will be preparing a classic Greek dish which is called Cheese Saganaki, and that is nothing more than flaming Greek cheese. Now most of you have seen that in all the Greek restaurants that you may go to, and I will show you the best way to cook it. The mise en place is very easy today. We will use this cheese which is called Kefalotyri, which is actually like a Gruyere cheese. It's really a hard cheese, so we want it to be crispy on the outside and melted on the inside, and I will show you the best way to do that. We start off with a cup of flour on a plate. We added a little bit of salt, just a touch of salt. We have a bowl of water, cool water. And this is the whole process. We take the cheese, we dip it in flour on all sides. Cover it all around, and we dip it in the water. And we repeat this process 3 times to create a nice crust on it. Do it all around. Shake off the excess. And put it on a side plate. And in this skillet, I have placed about 6 to 7 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Greek, of course. We're waiting for it to get really hot before we put in the cheese. And the best way to test if the oil is ready, you just drop a little bit of flour in. When it comes sizzling like that on top, you know that it's ready. So let's put the cheese in right now, and remember, put it away from you so you don't splash yourself. That's exactly the sound that we want to hear. And we will not touch it for about 2 minutes. And it has been 2 minutes on high heat. And we will carefully flip it over and see how golden brown it is. And look at this. Doesn't it look delicious? Look. And another 2 minutes on this side. And as you can see, it's nice and crispy on top. And I guarantee you it's nicely melted inside. Oh yeah. That's okay. And the time is up. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, both sides. Absolutely delicious. And we put it on the plate. I took some brandy, about a couple ounces of brandy. I heated it up a little. It's got to be hot in order for it to flambe properly. And now we pour it over the cheese. And then we light it right away. There it is. Look at this. And now we got to do the lemon immediately. And a little bit of chopped parsley, just for decoration, just to make it look pretty. Nothing else, make it look really nice. That's all we need. And now we cut into it. Let's try this. Before I serve it to my guests, I'm the first one that tries everything. Guys, it's to die for. It really is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe. All right, guys, dig in. Let's have one. Let's grab one. There we go. Let's see what this is all about. And remember, if you like this recipe, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching.